We offer 3 distinct service deliverables within the company: raw land civil engineering, A&E construction drawing. Thirdly is structural engineering services, which can be across multiple industries. The thing that's interesting about B+T is how we've grown from really a single service company, engineering services, to multiple offerings.
B+T has flown probably north of 50,000 towers since I've been here, since we really got going on the drone stuff.
We can get out to a site much quicker, gather that information with drones, create a digital twin for a site.
One of the things that B+T offers that a lot of companies don't offer, and some companies are trying to do it now, but we are a turnkey company. You could walk up to Chad Tuttle, myself, and say, I want a new tower from the very beginning to the very end. We can do all of it.
Our industry's changed. We've had to learn how to manage our business with the right amount of people. Even if it was in the telecom space, we've had to learn how to build other departments within our company and find new sources of revenue.